If you'd like to add a PayPal button to your WordPress.com blog's sidebar, or into a post and page, this video will show you how to get it done in a couple of minutes. Head to paypal.com. If you have an account, you can log in right here. Otherwise, you'll need to make one. For the features we're looking at, you'll need a Premier or business account. Once you're logged in, you'll see something like this, and you'll want to click up here on Merchant Services. Then you'll see a whole bunch of options, one of which is Donate. Click on that. Put in a name here, either yours or one of your organisation or blog. This is what people will see when they come to the Donate page. And then check out the customization options for the button that people will see when they click through to PayPal to make a donation. I can make it smaller, or choose to display credit card icons, or I can go ahead and add my own button image if I have something I'd prefer to use. I can do that by uploading an image to my media library in WordPress, clicking View on the image, and then right or command clicking to select Copy Image Address or whatever your browser or operating system calls this feature. I then paste in the code I've copied here, just like this. Once that's done, I can set my currency and decide if folks can select their own amount or if they'll use a fixed donation amount instead, like this. And I might want to use this advanced customization option to add a message and set some rules for the person donating. Obviously, the easier and friendlier I make it, the more likely they are to go through with the donation. As you can see, there are a whole bunch of customization options you can add here. When you're done with those, click on the Create button. And from the two options, I actually want to select the Email tab because the website one doesn't play nicely with WordPress.com. I'm going to leave this page open, and then in a new tab or window, I'll open up WordPress and start a new post or page. Now I'll switch to the HTML view and head for the WordPress.com support page about PayPal. There's a link in the sidebar of this video, or you can run a search for WordPress.com support PayPal, for instance, in Google. There I'll find a bunch of different PayPal buttons I can use. So I'm going to copy the code here and then put that into the HTML editor in WordPress. It has to be the HTML tab and not the visual editor. If I want to use my own image, I can swap this part here with the URL of the image that I created earlier, like this. So now, when I skip back to the visual editor, I'll see either the PayPal button or the one I've created myself. Now, back to the PayPal website where I have the link I want to copy. I'll grab that, come back to WordPress and apply the link by selecting the image and using the link button in the visual editor. If I want to add the button to my sidebar instead, I could head back to the HTML tab, copy the chunk of code here, and then paste it into a text widget, which I'll find in the Appearance, Widgets tab, like this. I can add any extra text that I like, and when I'm ready, I either need to save my widget or publish my page, and in a post or page, it'll look like this. Or if I pasted it into a sidebar widget, it'll look like this. When someone clicks through, this is what they'll see. So that's adding a PayPal button to your WordPress.com blog, making it easy for people to donate to you.